How to share Roblox game link. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about sharing a Roblox link. So now let's get started. It's a quick and easy process. You can do this on your computer or your mobile phone. So first of all, you need to go to the Roblox website and log into your account. After that, find the game that you'd like to play and tap on it. Now you need to copy the URL from the top of the screen. The process is the same if you're using a web browser on your phone. Right-click on it and tap on copy. So after copying the link, you can paste it into a chat with your friends and they will receive the link with a visit button which will redirect them to the game. And you might also see a game icon to share instantly. Once they join, you can play together. So this method works for sharing any type of games on Roblox with your friends or anyone that you'd like to. So this was all about it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.